Before we start our tutorial video today, if you love our videos, please click on like button and make sure to click on subscribe and bell icon to receive notifications of future helpful content of automation and process control. Now let's get started. Excel tool for level transmitter calculation. In this tutorial video today, I will demonstrate an engineering tool issued by automationforum.co and based on Excel sheet, used for level transmitter calculation range that installed on several tank types. For you to trying this tool, I left the download link in the description box of this video below. After we have downloaded the engineering Excel tool, we will click on it and navigate between the calculation sheets as the following. Here we have the calculation sheets of DP type level and density transmitter calibration range use with open tank, closed tank, dry leg, closed tank, wet leg, constant level, varying level, interface level 1, interface level 2. Now I will demonstrate some application examples and will start with the open tank. Here we have the parameters that we will depend on for the calculation. Y is the minimum level in millimeters, start of scale. X is the maximum level in millimeters, full of scale. GL is the specific gravity of tank liquid in gram per cubic centimeter. Now let's start with the represent of the values. Let's move to the calculation sheet of closed tank, dry leg. Our last example for today will be with closed tank, wet leg. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.